Ashley here of Stacks and the City, and I want to say a wonderful and resounding hello. Hi, y'all. Hi. And thank you guys so much for listening, and thank you so much for being back. All my new subscribers, thank you so much for listening. You guys are awesome. My throwbacks, hey y'all, how you doing? And if you haven't subscribed, you all, please go down there, click the subscribe button on the bottom, and comment and like, and let me know what you guys think. Just let a girl know what you guys want to hear when it comes to getting your money right in 2019, y'all. It's all about keeping the money that we have. That's what it's all about. Today, we're going to be talking about credit cards as the ultimate friend. It's your friend. Believe it or not, credit cards can be your friend. Now, credit cards are one of the biggest mechanisms that I recommend to building wealth, because in order to build wealth, you have to build a good credit history. You have to prove to people that you're good at paying people back, period. And the way to do that is by having good credit. How do you get good credit? Getting a credit card, especially if you come from a place where you don't have people to help you build your credit up before you turn 18 or 21 or 25 or 30 or 50. Just saying. So I recommend getting a credit card. Credit cards can help you build your credit report. And a credit report is basically a report card telling people how good you are paying folks back. That's it. If you're not good at paying people back, it's a lot of problems. But if you are, then you have access to a lot of the American dream type items. You have access to owning a car, a nice car with a low interest rate, with low payments. You have access to owning a home. You can be a homeowner. You can be a multi-homeowner just based on good credit. People will give you loans with no money. You may not have no money, but you have good credit, they'll give you the loan. Good credit can also allow you to start your own business. If you have money in the bank, if you don't have any money in the bank, they can give you the money to start there because they trust that you will pay them back, and it's an investment. So guys, when you're borrowing money, make sure that you're very strategic with how you're doing that. You want to make sure that you are using the money to elevate your net worth and to invest in yourself so that the money returns to you versus spending money on a lifestyle that you may not be able to afford. You probably may not be able to afford. So you want to make sure you're spending money on yourself and making yourself better and bigger and sexier versus spending money just to keep up with someone else, but you support someone else's dream. I'm just saying, we ain't got time for that. So credit cards can definitely do that. Long story short, that's the biggest perk of them. They really help you invest in the future that you want for yourself at the end of the day. That's what a good credit card can do for you. Now, credit cards have a lot of perks besides the they're search for nirvana. They have a lot of really great perks too. One of the biggest perks that they have is that you can get free air travel. Believe it or not, one perk, you can have a free air travel. If you get a lot of credit cards, every time you swipe is worth a point. And the more points you accumulate means more opportunities for flights and things like that. I took a flight to the Dominican Republic for free, a round-trip flight to the Dominican Republic for free because of my credit card points. I pay my balance off in full every month, and I went to the DR for free. Well, the flight was free for a wedding. Look at that. That's what credit cards can do. Credit cards can also give you a free place to stay. So based on the points that I earned just from using my credit card every day, that same credit card, I was able to use those points for an Airbnb in Chicago. When I was in Chicago, I went to Chicago, and I used those Airbnb points I used my credit card points for an Airbnb. So wow, I got a free place to stay from doing nothing but minding my business and paying my bills. That's it. You're getting free points. You're getting free perks. They also give you an opportunity for gift cards. So I love to shop. I love fashion, but I don't say I necessarily love to shop per se. I know that's just me. I'm not a big shopper. I don't like shop. But I do love a good gift card moment. I've gotten gift cards from Target. I've gotten gift cards from Sephora. I've gotten gift cards from Banana Republic that I've used for work clothes. I used for toiletries at home. I've used for anything. Like y'all, you name it, I've used it. I've gotten it before. So guys, I'm telling you, like, get on the credit card status. I'm just saying, like, they definitely have the perks for you. And I think like one of the biggest points I want to make you all, this is probably the biggest takeaway I want you all to get from this, is that the wealthier you are, the more money that you're actually keeping, the higher your credit score is, the better your credit score is, the less of your own money you're actually spending. Ain't that a blip? Wealthy, you all, if wealthy status yet. But if there's anything that I've noticed from looking around and seeing what wealth is like, rich people don't like spending money. They don't like spending their own money. They like spending other people's money. So for example, I have I have lounge access at airports. People really are out here complaining that the food's like people out here are excited for getting the free food. They're so pressed for free food. And they could afford, in theory, to go out and buy airport food. They can do that if they want to. But no, they're really out here getting free food, free drinks. You're getting free clothing, free nights, free places to stay. You're getting, someone's paying for something. Even the money that you're borrowing is free. Many times, if you're really good at paying your money back, if you're borrowing money, you're not gonna have to pay it back. I really don't know how to describe that very well yet, y'all. But rich people aren't really spending their own money. Like, they're really not. And that's the thing I want you to know. The wealthier that you become, the more of a grasp that you have on the money that you're spending, the less of your own money you're spending to afford the lifestyle that you have. Just, y'all marinate on that. And that, y'all, is really important. Like, if you're spending your own money to supply your lifestyle, you're not doing something right. You're not building wealth. I'm gonna leave it at that. You're not truly building wealth. So, y'all, these are the perks that I have for you guys for why credit cards are great, why credit cards are a great friend, lots of free stuff, an ability to set the timbre for your credit history, the credit that you want, for the lifestyle that you deserve, and it means that you're not spending your own money for the life that you want, the life that you get. So, y'all, that's all I have for me now. It's Ashley here, Stacks in the City. I am so glad that you guys are here listening to me. And if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know in les comments. And I can't wait to hear from you guys soon. Bye, y'all.